Damn, look at that. Look out, the muskrat behind glass has escaped.
Yeah. Go ahead, try and pop it. Can you grab my flashlight off the toolbox, please?
Yep, the little one?
Yes, sir.
His flashlight, not his fleshlight. The flashlight's for later.
Okay.
Right?
And a long screwdriver. Phillips, and regular in the box. It should be like the 16-inch or 17-inch, something like that.
The long one with the big tip. The handle. What do you think, Scotty?
Okay, hold on. No, keep doing that.
Scotty's gonna go till he finds the problem. Dr. Scott.
Okay, hold it down. There you go. Bobby, can you hand me the hammer?
Hammer? Where is the hammer?
On the ground?
I'll get it. Ooh, hammer. Handmade hammer. Ribbed for your pleasure. Oh, we're pregnant. We're pregnant.
I told you I would get it.
Yeah.
Dude, that thing has been open.
Look at that. Hold on. Celebratory video, Scotty. Stand there with like you've won the biggest event of your life.
Talk about coming out of the closet. I'm coming out of the back end of something.
It's like when you're born again. Are you a born again, Scotty? Wait, okay. I took a picture while you were doing that. I'm gonna send it to Ken. He's gonna be like, oh my God. Okay, so now our next trick, Scotty, take that back panel off so it's ready to go for what we need to do next. Look at that. It's got screws, a bunch of screws. It's supposed to have a bunch of screws.
Oh.
I did the one in Dennis's Squire. There's actually video of it.
I need Phillips to take the bottom and I can pull the whole thing off.
Phillips.
Yes,
You're
sir.
gonna take a bottom named Philip? All right.
I just have to make it right.
That's why you just jumped right on it.
Yeah, I was like, dude, I just gotta.
All right. Now that that's ready, now you can get to the mechanism and fix all that.
You have a baggie just hit.
Which I bet is Scotty's project for a minute. Look at that. All right, pull the thing up. Come up with it. Because I had to do the one on Dennis's Squire when we sold it. There we go. There it is. It's the same piece. Look at that. Well, it's never been off before, but
Nope.
look at that. It's got the original paper. Wait, before you take the paper off, back up. I want to get a picture of this. Look at that. Original. Careful.
There's,
There is no careful.
you know,
It's fucked either way. You can see where the water has gotten into it by its rusting. Wow. That there's impressive, sir. Ooh. That's not good. That's completely eaten alive. Oh no. Daddy, you got a date with the shop vac tomorrow, huh?
Yep. Now,
That's extra rusty. Now we can pull the glass out.
yeah, man.
Get in there, Bernsey. Give that man a hand. Oh yeah. There's stops in there, boys.
Okay.
Careful. Careful.
A PV blaster, oh man.
You did a pee-pee what?
Push down just a little bit on your edge. All right, now go up. Just only on one side.
One side at a time. Gotta get it past the...
Okay, you gotta put that down.
No.
You gotta put that down.
Glass out. Scotty, show me how bad this is down here in the bottom.
Can you see in there at all?
Yeah, the back.
Here, let me see if I can...
Oh, there, when you get your... Yeah, now you're getting all PB blaster all over my phone.
Now,
Look at that.
so that everybody can see.
Oh, boy. That's really, really rough, man. That's a mess, boys.
It may be now so that you can see inside. There's a locking mechanism. So wiggle the handle. So I need to be able to get it to close. I need to get that
Backward.
back up again. But it's going to take a little bit because it hasn't moved in so many years. So it's going to be hammer, open, you know, back and forth a few times. But that's what's coming out of the bottom of the door.
Because it's really bad. It's all on
Yeah.
the door down. Yeah. So. Yuck. But progress. Look. It works. Hey, look. Wow. Okay, we get it.
No, because it helps
Help circulate the lubricant.
Yep, which it's got to be done. I'll probably do it 10, 15, 20 more times. Open, close, so that I break all that,
The schmutz.
the schmegma free.
Schmegma. All right, Scotty, good job.
Schmegma.